Hey guys, welcome back to Art Adventures. So if you have not watched my last video on the first emoji that we did with the heart eyes, go back and watch it. And it's going to be a little bit more simple than this. This one, I am tracing a circle of some sort, and then I'm going to start off by drawing a V shape here, and then find the middle between those, put a dot, and then kind of do a hook over there and over here. We're gonna go ahead and erase this line. I'm using my Cool Erase Prismacolor pencils, colored pencils. So I still get the color that I want for the foundational work, but then I can go ahead and still erase what I need to erase. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do an oval. This oval may or may not change size depending on how close I need it to be. So I'm gonna go ahead and do myself an oval, and then I'm gonna do a slight curved line. I'm gonna kind of round that off, kind of like a bean shape. Okay, that's gonna be a winking face. I'm gonna do another one of those, but a little bit longer, and that's gonna be my eyebrow. Another one over here, that's gonna be an eyebrow. And then I'm gonna give myself a kissy face, and it's kind of like a slanted 3. Okay, the top and the bottom are a little slanted. All right, so that's gonna be the gist of the actual drawing itself. I'm gonna go ahead and do a background, as I always do, with hard edges, since this is a soft edged picture. As a circle and a heart, I need some harder edges to kind of counteract the space on our paper. I'm gonna set my pencil to the side, grab my permanent marker, and I'm gonna go ahead and outline this. All right guys, so I went ahead and finished outlining our drawing. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start getting this colored. I mentioned in my last video, I start off with this yellow so I don't bleed over any of the other colors that I don't want to bleed into my yellow. And I'm gonna go ahead and color this as quickly as I can to get an even balanced piece of work. Okay, so now that we have our yellow done, I'm gonna go ahead and use the red for the heart. All right guys, well there you have it. There's your heart emoji. I appreciate you guys watching. As always, look forward for the next ones coming out. I'll see you guys in a few. Peace.